Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Food Blender Review. Number 1. GREECHO Food Blender. With the GREECHO Portable Blender, you can make all of the smoothies and shakes that you want while you're on the go. This portable blender comes with a USB adapter that can be plugged into a power bank or a computer to give it power. The smoothie maker is lightweight and compact, meaning that you can store it easily in a bag, a car, or a desk drawer. The smoothie maker also comes with a carrying bag. Another great feature of this blender is that it has an automatic shut-off feature. This feature keeps the blender from overheating while in use. The portable blender comes with a handy one-handed drinking spout so that you can easily enjoy your smoothie or shake on the go. This blender is also super easy to use. Simply put the ingredients you want into the shaker and shake it for a minute or two. The GREECHO blender is made with 100% BPA-free material, which means that you can use it safely without worrying about compromising your health. Number 2. TRIBEST Food Blender. This is the perfect blender for making delicious and healthy fruit compotes, fruit smoothies, and delicious cocktails. The powerful 900-watt motor lets you prepare delicious fruit purees, smoothies, and milkshakes. Thanks to this blender's large jar and powerful motor, you can use the machine to make larger quantities of delicious fruit compotes, smoothies, and milkshakes. The high-quality stainless steel blade of this blender is made to last a lifetime. It can be used to make drinks, smoothies, milkshakes, sauces, soups, and purees. It is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that makes blending, chopping, and processing ingredients a breeze. The TRIBEST blender is stylishly designed and fits into any kitchen. Its elegant and timeless design will blend into any home. The blender is easy to wash and offers various functions for fast and easy blending. The blender's container is made from durable and non-deformable glass, which is easy to clean and does not absorb the taste of the food. The lid of the container is made of plastic, which is BOA and does not absorb flavors or smells of food. The TRIBEST blender is also equipped with 3 buttons for on/off and 2 speeds. Number 3. AMERICANA Food Blender. A versatile kitchen blender for people who prefer a manual approach to blending. Includes a 17-ounce jar, 20-ounce sports bottle, and offers a stainless steel jar blend and sports bottle. AMERICANA Food Blender offers a unique and unusual design that satisfies aesthetic tastes and simplifies blending. This blender is equipped with 300 watts of power that can pulverize ice, vegetables, and fruits with ease. Includes a 20-ounce sports bottle and a 17-ounce jar with a stainless steel blade. Both the bottle and jar are made of BPA-free materials. The sports bottle has a convenient on and off lid with a drinking spout that locks in place, and a handle that makes it easy to hold. The jar has a rubber base, a stainless steel blade, and a blending that locks in place. The blender has a carry handle and runs on a 120V. The jar measures 6.12 x 8.14 x 7.8 L. Number 4. KCXGHYI Food Blender. Are you searching for a smoothie blender to make delicious shakes and smoothies? Look no further. KCXGHYI Food Blender has everything you need. High quality, durability, and portability. It's a powerful blender with 6 blades and a cup capacity of 14 ounces. KCXGHYI Blender won't let you down when you need a boost of energy in the morning, a nutritious snack during the day, or a refreshing drink to refresh yourself in the evening. This blender is also a great accompaniment to your healthy lifestyle. It has a safety lock, portable, and auto shut-off. It is easy to clean too. This blender will blend anything from fruit, vegetables, seeds, and nuts, and more. Number 5. POPBABIES Food Blender. Gone are the days of bulky blenders and juicers. Say hello to the POPBABIES Portable Blender. The best of both worlds for on-the-go lifestyles. Perfect for mixing your favorite protein shake, juicing some fruits, or blending up a delicious smoothie. The POPBABIES Portable Blender is your secret weapon for the perfect blend. The sleek, portable bottle design makes it easy to bring your blender with you wherever you go. The rechargeable USB blender cup allows you to blend in your kitchen and then pop it in the fridge to enjoy later. Best of all, food prep is super simple. Just add your ingredients to the blender cup, on the blade chamber, and you're ready to go. Easy to operate and easy to clean. You don't need to be a chef to use the POPBABIES portable blender. Thanks for watching my video.